Her eyes brought back the tears. And when her youthful world was about to fall in, its timeless land her shoulders bore the weight of all her fears. And the sorrow no one hears still rings in midnight silence in her ears. Let her cry, for she's a lady. Let her dream, for she's a time. Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a free and lovely flowers growing wild. And if by chance I should hold her, let me hold her for a time. But if I love this one position, pick up her from the garden to be mine. Careful how you touch her, for she'll awaken and sleep the only freedom that she knows. And when you walk into her eyes, you won't believe the way she's always praying for the death she never rose. In the silent winds that blows, that only she can hear until she goes. And let her cry, for she's a lady. Let her grieve, for she's the time. Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a free and tender flowers growing